Hello, I'm Nick Matos. If you hadn't seen my last review on the Brio battery-powered Polar Express, here's my review on Gator. Well, let's start out with the good. Well, about this character I supposed to say, Gerald or Gator is one of those CGI-only characters, and TV series only characters as well. He first appeared in Tale of the Brave, and he appeared several stories so far. And they call him Gator because of the sloping side tanks. And he's a very nice model. Nice sloping pieces, nice detail about it. His face is kind of big, and I'll get to that now. Still, they're still using plastic. Come on, Mattel. You're the second largest company in the world. Be the first or second. Well, there's so much plastic on this model, it's a bit like the 2013 Flying Scotsman was. Right? I'm planning to, get Bash and Dash. Well, I have them, but I'm trying to get their CGI faces models, and Ferdinand too. And yeah, I'll get to that in a different video. But this is a nice recommendation for if you're a long-term fan and trying to make your own version of Gator's backstory of coming to the railway. Kind of give him the same personality that he was. Because I highly recommend you buying this model. There's several gripes about this. The plastic and the face. The face is too big. I were expecting it to be a little bit more smaller in a way. And it kind of doesn't make sharp curves, a bit like the original Mavis did. And I don't have any Mavises to prove it. Except for well, I am planning to get the Toys R Us exclusive Mavis at the Quarry from online. But I'll get to that later. But still nice details, nice slopes, and nice colored wheels. The dark green wheels kind of remind me of like Christmas. Ah, yes, the holidays. Can't wait for the holidays, especially in December. Anyway, Gerald is a nice product. I think this is coal. Put it in the comments down below, please. And sadly, like all the Thomas the Tank Engine characters, for the wooden railway, no buffers. Unless if you have James or some of the engines who don't have any buffers at the front, that's fine with me. And my next review would be on, well, Porter. Then the Flying Scotsman. This is Nick Matos, aka Thomas Fan 1984, signing out.